Today I'm reviewing Huntington Bankshares Physician Loans, a mortgage solution specifically tailored for medical professionals. Right from the start, the application process is fairly simple, with a dedicated team that works directly with physicians. Huntington promotes this loan for doctors and residents who are either just starting their careers or are already established. What sets it apart is the lower down payment requirement, sometimes even as low as 0%, which can be a game changer if you're still carrying student debt or just don't want to lock up cash and a down payment. The site itself is clear, but it's definitely structured for people who already have some understanding of the mortgage process. There's not much in the way of onboarding or helpful calculators on the physician loan page, so you'll need to speak to a representative pretty early to get accurate numbers. That being said, the support team is knowledgeable about the unique financial circumstances of doctors, which is definitely a plus. Credit score requirements aren't published upfront, which can be a little frustrating. You'll need to go through an initial consultation just to get a baseline idea of eligibility. In terms of benefits, Huntington doesn't charge PMI, private mortgage insurance, which is another strong point considering most loans under 20% down would typically require it. However, you'll still need to show a solid employment contract or proof of future income, especially if you're still in residency. One thing to note, the site emphasizes speed and convenience, but in practice, the underwriting process can still take time. Many applicants report needing to follow up regularly, especially during busy housing market periods. Rates aren't always the most competitive either, especially compared to conventional loans if you already have a solid credit history and can afford a larger down payment. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Navigating through the website can feel outdated, and while you'll find the basics, you won't get instant pre-qualification or tools to compare loans easily. You have to rely heavily on your loan officer, which is fine if you prefer that personal touch, but can be limiting if you're trying to do your research late at night or want to run your own numbers first. Another drawback is the lack of transparency when it comes to fees. While the loan product is marketed as physician-friendly, you'll need to ask directly about closing costs, origination fees, and whether rate locks are available. Some physicians have reported unexpected closing costs, so it's definitely worth getting everything in writing upfront. Despite its flaws, Huntington's physician loan program remains a good fit if you're early in your career and want to buy a home without a massive upfront investment. It's ideal if you value personalized service and can handle a little more manual legwork in exchange for specialized terms. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and financial breakdowns tailored to professionals like you.